Give us a rundown on the water main break and what transpired there. You know, people are seeing ghosts in the shadows, and you know,
Yes,
we need you to expound on that, if you don't mind.
I'm not sure. That thing is taking a life of its own. There was a leak the floor above where we were counting ballots at State Farm Arena. According to Steve Coonan, CEO of the Atlanta Hawks, that occurred at 6:07 a.m. I forget the exact date. By 8:07 a.m., it was
That was the day of the election?
yes,
Okay.
and it was repaired within 2 hours. No ballots were damaged. No equipment was damaged. End of story. So how this has gotten to be what it is, I have no idea.
Were there people in there working at that time when the leak was discovered?
I was not there, but presumably there were people there because we started at probably 7 o'clock, I believe. I'm sure that some people were there.
So it happened at 6:07, it was repaired by
8:07.
8:07. So there were people there working at 6:07 when it was interrupted. Were they in the room? Were they asked to leave, and was the room secured? Tell us how that was handled.
Now, I was not there, so I cannot answer that question.
Okay. Okay.
And I will say this, sir, because the question of chain of custody has been raised. So I have had an opportunity to talk with the staff about that. I was not personally there. But my understanding is just in a room like this, if there was a leak over here, that does not mean that all of you would necessarily leave. And that is my understanding, is that there, the workers who were responsible for those ballots never left the room. They were in the room the entire time. They had to stop working for a period of about 2 hours. And that was the reason it was brought up in the first place, is there was a slight delay of a couple of hours where they couldn't access the entire room. But they did not leave, and they were, the ballots remained in the custody of the sworn workers.
Thank you for bringing some clarity to it.
Yes, sir.
And I'll just add that Mr. Coonan will testify to that effect, that it was 6:07. The reason I'm so specific about that is because he's told me on more than one occasion, from 6:07 to 8:07.
I may need to know the name of the plumber. I have some leaks from time to time. That's hard to get them fixed in 2 hours.